Excuse me? I think that's my backpack.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm so sorry. I didn't notice the name tag.
That's okay. We all make mistakes.
By the way, my name is Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
So, Daniel, where are you from?
I'm from Bandung. My family moved here last month.
That's wonderful. I hope you'll enjoy studying here.
Thank you. Everyone has been very kind to me. My family moved here last month.
Welcome to SMA Negeri Sembilan Bogor. I hope you'll enjoy studying here.
Thank you. Everyone has been very kind to me.
Do you like basketball?
Yes! It's my favorite sport!
Really? I like basketball too.
That's great. Maybe we can play together after school someday.
I'd like that.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning.
Good morning, Kevin.
Who's your new friend? I'm Daniel.
Kevin, this is Daniel. He's a new student in our class.
Hi, Daniel. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Kevin. Welcome to SMA Negeri Sembilan Bogor. We're happy to have you here. Thank you. Come on, let's go to class together. Come on, Daniel. Let's go to class together. Sure, I'm ready.
I told you our school is friendly.
You were right. I already feel at home.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like you to meet our new classmate. This is Daniel.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for your warm welcome. I'm happy to be here.
Class, remember this. Every friendship begins with a simple introduction. Hello, everyone.
I'm Daniel. I'm happy to be part of this class.
We're happy you're here.